What's up guys, Dave Moss Jr. here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Sun Home Luminar 5, which is an outdoor full spectrum infrared sauna. We're going to talk about who is this sauna actually for. So if you're not new here, or if you know this is a new series where I literally just sit here and talk about products that I have had the opportunity to review and use for a long period of time. And I really just want to answer the frequently asked questions all in one video where I just talk to you and tell you exactly who it's for. So this is Sun Home Sauna's Luminar 5 outdoor sauna, and it's a pretty special sauna. It's a pretty unique sauna in the fact that it's probably the only full spectrum infrared sauna that is made for the outdoors. It's an omni-season sauna, meaning it's meant for every season, and it's a beast. And actually in this video I kind of want to talk about some of the biggest differences, because I've reviewed a lot of saunas, entry-level saunas, those portable steam saunas, tent saunas, indoor infrared saunas, all the way up to this, which is the absolute beast. And if I was looking for the premium of premium and I wanted something I could depend on, have some incredible sauna sessions in, but also have like a statement piece, this might be the one. So it's considered a premium full spectrum sauna. And I want to define premium because I think there's some sauna scams out there where people use these buzzwords like premium, and they use a lot of words that tend to get thrown around like it's a good thing. And what I've found, and what a lot of people in the sauna space have found, is there's a lot of things that are, I don't want to say scams, but kind of scammy. One of them being like, if it's a premium sauna and it takes an hour plus to heat up, they're using cheap heaters, and that's like the main component to a sauna. And if it takes an hour to heat up, that's cheap, that's not premium. So like that's just one of many things. Also the wood, red cedar is probably what most would consider to be the best wood you can use in a high heat sauna, and most infrared saunas use hemlock. So they use red cedar inside. I got confused there because I was thinking of the outside. I'm like, wait, it's not red cedar on the outside. They use red cedar on the inside, which is incredible. But they use this aerospace aluminum that's black on the outside that helps keep the elements out. It also helps seal in the inside, keeping that wood inside from conducting the heat or the coolness from outside. So that's another really interesting thing about saunas. Wood can really conduct the heat, the temperature of the sauna, and actually hold the heat, which is awesome. That's why efficient saunas that use red cedar and high quality cedar like this are able to heat up much faster, but also keep that heat fast. So one of the things about the sauna that's interesting is it has an hour timer. So like when you turn it on, it turns on for an hour, it heats up in about 15 to 25 minutes, like even in the coldest seasons. And because it's full spectrum, it's true full spectrum, you get 3 of the spectrums, near, mid, and far infrared, where most saunas just use far infrared. And the heaters themselves emit light and a radiant heat right off of the panels. And there's 10 full spectrum heaters. There's also 5 far infrared in there as well, just to really maximize the experience. It's one of the most unique sauna experiences you'll have. Like traditional is traditional and you get inside, the heat touches your skin and you feel that heat, then you start to sweat. You could be in here with the door open and the heater's just turned on and start sweating in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's one of the things that separates this from pretty much every other sauna I've ever been in, is it is a unique experience that no other sauna is delivering. It is a true outdoor sauna. It's been out here through hurricanes, through every major storm. It's just been really crazy weather here in Florida, and it's been raining like nonstop for the past couple of days. I got a quick break, that's why I'm filming this right now, but it has a massive, extremely heavy sealed stainless steel roof, and it's black, so it looks really cool. If you see, the whole thing's black, like it looks like Batman's sauna. It has tempered glass on the front and in the door that's also tinted, so it gives you privacy, but also helps to insulate the inside, keeping the heat inside and the cool outside, also keeping the elements outside. So those are just a few of the really key things that I absolutely love. It also can be controlled by an app. Sun Home has their own app you can connect this to, and you can turn it on from anywhere in the world. Get your sauna fired up when you're on your way home from work, and it's ready when you are. You can turn it on, adjust the lights inside. It's got premium speakers. It's a beast. It's an absolute beast. And I have a full review on this. I wanted to make some videos that are really just like answering the hard questions and just keeping it simple without just being entertaining. You know, just give you the information so you can make the best decision for yourself. I review everything, like all saunas, cold plunges, fitness equipment, workout equipment, wellness equipment. I'm kind of the guy. I review it all. That means I have a duty to you to help give you the best information and make the best decision for yourself. And truth is, this sauna is a great sauna, but it's not for everybody. You know, one of the things I kind of realized is, like, you know, infrared panels are not really meant to get wet, and I'd love doing contrast therapy. So like, this is the Sun Home cold plunge in front of it. It's their Pro, and it's a beast, and it creates ice, and it's great. And I do contrast therapy in there, but I got to be mindful that the heaters really can't like take a dousing of water. Like they're not meant to get soaked. So if you want to do contrast therapy where you're like in and out of the sauna and the cold plunge back to back to back, you really got to be mindful to dry off, at least drip, like get all of the sopping water off of you before you get back in there. So it's not really meant for that. And no infrared saunas really are. If you're looking for a statement piece, something that just stands out and looks sick, like I love this thing back here with the green behind me. It's truly outdoors. The only thing above it is trees. It just sits out here with the rain. It's got lighting that comes down from the outside, the overhang, and it just shines down. It's heavy, super heavy. This thing weighs almost 1,300 pounds. That's another like sauna scam, is like premium saunas, even saunas that are 5-person. If they weigh 300 or 400 pounds less than this, then it's not really premium. They're using cheaper materials and they're cutting corners that will make a difference. And that's something you gotta look out for. There's also some gapping underneath the base to help with airflow, to help mitigate any potential mold buildup, condensation, or anything that can happen under a flat surface. Most saunas don't have that. So this one was designed for the elements outside. So it's nice that they thought of that as well. The base is lifted off the ground quite high and it has a nice sealed cedar floor. So that is awesome. And you want that. You want that in a premium sauna. The benches are contoured, very comfortable. The backrests are contoured, very comfortable. So it's got some great features inside too that you can play around with, which keeps it fun, keeps it premium. But really, like, even if they didn't have any of the features, even if you remove the lighting, even if you remove the app control, even if you removed all that stuff, just the overall build of this thing is so solid. And I've built a few of these. Actually, this is the third one I've built. When people are local, friends and family buy a sauna, like they typically ask me to come help them, and I do. So that's why. But yeah, it's a premium sauna that if you're looking for a true full spectrum experience, like full spectrum heat, which is less intense, it's still intense. You're still gonna sweat like crazy and you're gonna break a sweat very fast. Actually, I shot a video last week, I just published it not too long ago, on the different heats and explaining like traditional heat versus full spectrum heat versus far infrared heat. Those are 3 totally different heats, 3 totally different saunas, 3 very different experiences. And I think before you buy a sauna, you should know what those are. So make sure you watch that video if you haven't, because this is full spectrum. You have a very intense sweat session, very intense detox session. You start sweating really fast versus far infrared, which is sometimes they get lumped together. Like you see the word infrared and you're just like, I don't know what the first word means, far infrared, full spectrum. What does that even mean? It means a lot. It makes a huge difference in the actual experience itself. It also makes a difference in the heat inside. So these don't have to get as hot as traditional for you to get a phenomenal sauna experience. It's very different. They only reach 170 degrees, which if you're comparing that to traditional, which gets to 220, 230, you might think, wow, well, I'm missing out on some benefits. And there are some differences. And that's why I made that video. You should go check that out. But if I was looking for a premium outdoor sauna, a true premium outdoor sauna, this is, hope a tree doesn't fall on me. The wind just went crazy. It's about to storm again. Oh yeah, it's coming across the lake. So I'm gonna have to cut this video. But if you were looking for a premium outdoor sauna and you wanted full spectrum, definitely check out the Sun Home Luminar 5. I can vouch for it. I know a lot of people who've bought it and are very, very happy with it. There's a lot of infrared saunas on the market. I've reviewed a few of them. Not impressed. Not very impressive. If I'm looking for premium, I think Sun Home is really staking their claim in the premium sauna space, especially when it comes to the full spectrum infrared sauna. So if you're looking for one, definitely put this on your list. Watch the rest of my videos. I have a ton of videos going over a ton of different questions you might have, including the full review setup so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. But check those out. Definitely worth considering. Who is this not for? It's not for someone who's gonna be doing a lot of contrast therapy and wants to get in soaking wet all the time. It's not for someone who wants to pour water on the rocks and create a humid, steamy environment, because you can't do that in one of these saunas. It's also probably not for somebody who, yeah, I guess like wants that extremely hot temperature, 200 plus degrees, which is a very different experience. It's not for someone who's looking for a traditional sauna. But if you know what you're after, if you know what you're looking for, and you're looking for something that's less intense, that you can spend a good amount of time in and really compound the benefits of sauna, it's definitely a good one. If you're looking for privacy, it's a good one. If you're looking for stealthy, sick, it's definitely a good one. It's got all the premium features you would probably want if you're watching this video. And I can tell you that as somebody who's had the Luminar 5 for a couple years now, I'm very happy with it. I actually used it today, and it's a sauna that I use pretty much every day because it's out here in my gym, and one of my favorite things to do is work out and then jump in the sauna. But yeah, that's the Luminar 5. Quick answer. Who's it for? Who's it not for? Hopefully I answered your question. If I didn't, please ask it down in the comments below. Be direct with your question. I'd love to answer it for you. You can reach out to me on Instagram as well. And hey, if you want to watch the full review, I'll have it linked up at the end of this video. I'm gonna get out of here before a tree falls on me. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless.